reached a point where I wanted to end it all in my life. 2 बजे किसी ने मुझे रात को फ़ोन किया है कि तुम पागल हो, तुम ये क्यों बना रहे हो, मैं तुम्हारी शुभ चिंतक हूँ, सुनो। मैं रो ही जा रहा हूँ, मैं अपनी वाइफ को बोल रहा हूँ कि यार हो क्या रहा है। आई वॉज डूइंग माई स्टफ ओवर देयर। मैं बोला अगर फिल्म बनानी है एक ही बार बनाऊंगा, अब अगर ये फ्लॉप हुई तो मैं फिल्म कभी लाइफ में बनाऊंगा ही नहीं। तो जब आप इतना प्रेशर अपने सर पे लेते हो और उसके बाद आपको 60 साल हर कोई आपको ये बोलता है कि तुम ये क्या बना रहे हो, ये कैसी स्क्रिप्ट है। और मैं बोल रहा हूँ भाई बड़ी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बट 60 साल जब आपको हर कोई रिजेक्ट करता है, नॉट ओनली एक्टर्स, इवन स्टूडियोज। So I went to UTV then, I went to every studio, Sony, you name the studio. मैं गया हूँ, मैं बोला यार ये पिक्चर बना दो प्लीज़। सब ओ सिद्धार्थ वेरी नाइस पर्सन, वेरी नाइस, लवली ह्यूमन बीइंग। अभी ह्यूमन बीइंग का घंटा क्या करूँ मैं, अब पिक्चर बनाऊँ ना, मुझे पिक्चर बनानी है। एट दैट पॉइंट आई जस्ट अभी आई हैड फॉलन इन लव विथ माई वाइफ हु इज़ देयर। तो रैगिंग भी चलती थी, रगड़ाना भी चलता था, सब कुछ होता था। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर करीब में, भाई स्विमिंग किसको आता है, जी मुझे आता है। अब एंथुजियाज्म है ना कि भाई दिखाना है, आप 15 असिस्टेंट हो, आपको मालूम है क्या पता कि अच्छा लेक में जाओ 4 बजे सुबह को, रस्सी पकड़ो क्योंकि आपको मैजिक आवर में आपको दिए पकड़ने हैं, उनको दिए लाइन से चाहिए। अब किसको पता वो लेक के अंदर वाटर स्नेक्स भी हैं। डैड इज़ बिन एन एक्टर, माई चाचा इज़ बिन एन एक्टर, Prem Kishan. My chacha was a villain, Monty in his time. Grandfather, Dada is Premnath, Dadi is Meena Rai ji. Their brother-in-law is Raj Kapoor, their other brother-in-law is Prem Chopra. So one has grown up, pretty much in the environment of watching movies or being on film sets. So from a young nascent age only, one always wanted to tell stories. When Sanjeevani came, then we made it like a very very much like Chicago Hope at that point of time. उस वक्त धड़कन चल रही थी सोनी पे, संजीवनी चल रही थी स्टार पे, and we used to work 16 hours, 18 hours, maybe 20 hours. Like I was mentioning in one of my other interviews, in the Sakinaka office with Shelja and all, just to get one scene, because it was a weekly now. He swam the Mansarovar and was literally caught on the other side, because that time he had the Dadi Wadi and all, and he had all the Sadhu Baba thing. So they didn't know it was actor Premnath then, and he was invited as a guest at one point of time by the government. So he wrote a letter to, they were allowed to make one call, so he wrote a letter to the minister. This is how your guests are treated, and they had to then in 2 weeks, I think telegram and tell him that this is actor Premnath, please make him a state guest.
For today's episode of Celebrity with me is Siddharth P. Malhotra. I'm going to be giving him the mic exactly after 30 seconds. Before that, a short intro. Now, Siddharth is a director, he's a producer, of course. The most recent film which I can talk about is Maharaj, which was Junaid Khan, that is Amir Khan's debut film. But he has a pretty long, interesting CV, a very interesting story. He's also part of Bollywood royalty. His grandfather was Premnath, who the current generation may not know about, but the people who used to watch movies then and who have got a really good knowledge of Bollywood, they would know the kind of, I mean, I feel even in a world like Bollywood, a person like Premnath really stood out. But over to you, Siddharth.
Thank you.
Firstly, great job on Maharaj.
Thank you.
Okay, I was reading all the other points, whatever you've done. Let us go back right to the beginning.
Sure.
When you were saying that at the age of 16, you started off and you were doing literally everything. You were you were spot boy. You were also taking care of all the behind the scenes, the technical part. So tell us more about that.
So because dad has been an actor, my chacha has been an actor, Prem Kishan. My chacha was a villain, Monty in his time. Grandfather, Dada is Premnath, Dadi is Meena Rai ji. Their brother-in-law is Raj Kapoor, their other brother-in-law is Prem Chopra. So one has grown up, pretty much in the environment of watching movies or being on film sets. So from a young nascent age only, one always wanted to tell stories. And I think in the 10th standard I joined Nadra Babbar, Ekjut. So that's where we were literally और चाय के पानी से स्टेज साफ करो पृथ्वी थिएटर में, यू नो लिटरली स्पॉट बॉय के जो काम होते हैं, बिकॉज एनीबडी हु जॉइंस थिएटर हैज़ टू डू एवरीथिंग। आपको उस वक्त एक शो था एक घोड़ा तीन सवार, उसमें काम करना, यू नो गेटिंग दैट एक्सपीरियंस। बोर्ड एग्जाम चल रहे हैं और फैमिली की टेंशन है कि यार ये भाई साहब भवंस कॉलेज जाके रिहर्सल्स और दैट टाइम यूज्ड टू स्टे इन टाउन, तो यू नो बस पकड़ के ट्रेन पकड़ के चले जाओ भवंस में रिहर्सल करो। बोर्ड तो लिटरली आई हैड टू बी ब्राइब टू पास द एग्जाम कि भाई बेटा पास हो जा, कॉलेज जा। कोई नहीं गया, तू चले जा।
कोई नहीं गया,
तू चले जा। एंड हाँ चले गए कॉलेज, HR कॉलेज। बट yeah, so Baji was where I started off with. Then because dad and all had started off Cinevistas, my dad and mama, and started with Katha Sagar, Gulgushan Gulfam, Junoon, some great shows. So I joined
Junoon is the same one which Tom Alter was there.
yes,
right? Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Kitu Gidwani, Tom
Yes,
Alter, all of
yes.
these people. It was Kane and Abel ka adaptation.
Yes.
So in fact that was the first show which was also dubbed in Tamil called PD Vadum. Back then उस वक्त हम अभी डबिंग की बात करें, ये तो तब
Right.
कर रहे थे और वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर।
That was like 30 years ago. Almost?
Yeah,
30
easy,
years ago.
easy.
Yeah.
Maybe more, yeah. But around that time is when I started joining Cinevista, and I assisted Mitali Bhattacharya, who was a writer, and Ravi Oja. Ravi Oja was a director. He was doing a show called Zamana Badal Gaya. Then he did a show called for us called Inspector KC, Saboot.
Saboot I remember seeing.
So
yeah.
Saboot is basically a howdunit. So my
Yeah.
younger mama Raj Mehta, he had brought some formats, and he worked with the entire team at that point. He'd come for a little time. So I was put in as an apprentice to a writer with Mitali, where I used to go and work with her and learn under her. And then under Ravi ji, I became an assistant director. तो पहले वहाँ से शुरू की, फिर फर्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज विच इज़ 11th स्टैंडर्ड चले गए विधु विनोद चोपड़ा के पास, वो करीब असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर, क्लैपर बॉय देयर। तो ग्रेट मेमोरीज एंड काफ़ी थप्पड़ भी खाए। ही वाज एन एंग्री मैन।
You know, this is something which I wanted to say. Vidhu Vinod Chopra is very lucky that there weren't any cell phones around that time.
हाँ.
I would say that. Yeah.
There weren't any cell phones, but we all see the way Vidhu sir uses the camera.
No, I love his
don't
work.
think so. There's any technician who is as passionate
Yeah.
and as crazy in terms of in love with films as him. So I think, and dad had called him and said, हम राज जी के साथ असिस्टेंट थे, मेरा बेटा रगड़ा था, इसे रगड़ाना है ना तुझे, अब रगड़ाते हैं।
More than happy to
तो
do that.
हाँ,
yeah.
तो ठीक से रगड़ा दिया। Also at that point I had just अभी I had fallen in love with my wife who is there. तो रैगिंग भी चलती थी, रगड़ाना भी चलता था, सब कुछ होता था। I still remember करीब में, भाई स्विमिंग किसको आता है? जी मुझे आता है। एंथुजियाज्म है ना कि भाई दिखाना है, आप 15 असिस्टेंट हो, आपको मालूम है, क्या पता कि अच्छा लेक में जाओ 4 बजे सुबह को, रस्सी पकड़ो क्योंकि आपको मैजिक आवर में आपको दिए पकड़ने हैं।
Oh God.
उनको दिए लाइन से चाहिए।
हाँ.
अब किसको पता वो लेक के अंदर वाटर स्नेक्स भी हैं।
Seriously? Yeah.
Literally all of that. So one has gone through.
No, so did you go to the?
Yeah, we all did. We all
Clearly,
did.
There weren't any water snakes.
No,
That's
there
why-
were.
that's why you're
No,
still here.
there
Oh,
were
there
water snakes. There was actually a shot where Bobby is. There's magic hour, and magic hour में 15 मिनट ही थे. तो literally Bobby is singing चोरी चोरी जब नजरें मिली, and that was shot over I think 25-30 days of magic hours, so that's 15-20 minutes. So literally he's saying, Vinod, there's a water snake on my leg, and Vinod goes, action, and he goes, chori chori jab nazre, and we were down hearing that. So we witnessed some crazy stuff over there. Of course that time Manoj Bajpayee's wife Shabana Neha, it was her debut film. So loads of experience, because one learns a lot on that film with that director. Then I went to NYU. I did my film school in Tisch. Came back. Zoya was in the same batch as me.
Oh.
We did our diploma films, came back, and all of that. And then I joined Karan Johar. So while I was doing that, I created television shows for my company because as a writer and as a apprentice, one had already worked with Ravi ji on Zamana Badal Gaya, Saboot, and I had started working on other television shows. So that time Star Plus was just coming in. Tarun Katyal, Peter Mukherjee, Sameer Nair were the
Mid-90s?
Yeah, they were the heads. So I was dealing literally Shailja Kejriwal. We were dealing with them. So अभी नए आए हैं NYU से कोर्स करके विनोद चोपड़ा से सीख के भाई कुछ करके तो अब हम भी शो बनाएंगे. तो उस वक्त हमने एक पहले तो एक जी के लिए बनाया था कॉल क्लास 9.
क्लास 9?
या वो कभी बना नहीं. बट दैट वाज विजय कृष्णा आचार्य, राजू ईरानी एंड अब्बास ताहिरवाला and I was the producer. So that was the team. Though that show never took off, but वहाँ से 9F आया. 9F which came into Hichki years later came from class 9 about a bunch of students who nobody wants to educate. And when Hichki eventually I
2018, yeah.
adapted, मैं बोला यार ये 2 साल के बच्चे तो नहीं करेंगे, 9F को लेते हैं. 9F को वहाँ से लेके फिर यहाँ पे लेके आए. But going back to the linear part of working at Cinevista, creating shows, Star Plus had just come in. We did a show called Sanskruti first, which was afternoon prime. They had started an afternoon slot with Prabha Sinha, Savitha Prabhune, and we were a bunch of literally 19, 20-year-olds trying to do shows. Tarun had given us the opportunity, Peter and Sameer had given us. We had a budget of, I think, QK had just come on. QK had become a big hit. We had got the director of QK, Kaushik Dada, with us. And I think the budget was 1 lakh an episode, all inclusive.
Okay.
दोपहर का, which is like, कैसे करें? Only the IP was with Cinevista. Then my first big show was Sanjeevani. The medical show, Monish Bell, that's which I created, wrote, worked on. And then I sold it to, and at that point 4 medical shows were going to happen in Star Plus. So मैंने उस वक्त I had gone and told my mama and my father that I need 13 lakhs for a pilot. They said पागल है क्या, 13 lakhs for a pilot कौन किसको मिलता है? इसे वो मुझे चाहिए, मैं ये शो अप्रूव कराऊंगा. और Chicago Hope, ER, इस तरह के shows बनाने हैं मुझे. So we made the pilot. That pilot never got made, but the show got approved, thank God.
अच्छा, the pilot never got made?
No, the pilot got made in terms of it never got aired. Okay. So that pilot is as is. There was Tanuja Aunty in it. There was Aman Verma, Shilpa Tulaskar. The pilot was a beautiful pilot. It's one of my best pilots.
You still have footage
I still
of
have
that?
it. Yeah. Huh?
You still have footage of that?
Yeah, we got the episode. But it never saw the... Because then when Sanjeevani came, then we made it like a very, very much like Chicago Hope at that point of time. उस वक्त धड़कन चल रही थी सोनी पे, संजीवनी चल रही थी स्टार पे, and we used to work 16 hours, 18 hours, maybe 20 hours, like I was mentioning in one of my other interviews in the Sakinaka office with Shailja and all, just to get one scene, because it was a weekly, no? Wednesdays 9 to 10. So creating that theme,
and then that's why it sort of
getting
Monish
Bell, nobody wanted. Monish Bell said, "ये villain है. How will he play Dr. Shashank?" I had said, "Show बंद कर दो, पर Monish Bell ही play करेंगे."
अच्छा, you were adamant that Monish Bell
I was adamant that Monish Bell के अलावा कोई Shashank, Dr. Shashank play ही नहीं कर सकता, which Monish sir even acknowledges, and I mean I have a great respect and great association with him. But those were the days where we were like, यार करना है कुछ, we wanted to make a difference. So Sanjeevani was my big one. Then we did a bunch of other shows. We did Jersey Number 10, we did Ek Hasina Thi, we did Ek Hazaron Mein Meri Behan Hai, we did Dil Dosti Dance, Dil Mil Gaye, a bunch. I've done about 40 television shows which I've created, sold, and then taken care of, like supervised it to the episode.
So literally end to end, everything.
End to end.
Yeah.
Matlab, from pitching the idea to getting it all together, of course supported with teams, but started from me, and then we would sell it and then get it together, budgeting, getting it done. Almost I must have done at least 25,000-30,000 episodes alone. I must have done, at least उतने तो किए ही होंगे मैंने. And yeah, so from television, that was the thing. Then I assisted Karan Johar in Kal Ho Na Ho. Nikhil actually. In Kal Ho Na Ho, I joined Karan's company, and he put me on to that film. That film we worked on. There Karan saw me, in terms of, and also Yash Uncle and Dada go back, because Yash Uncle at one point used to manage Dada's work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he used to be, before he was a producer, he was a secretary. So he used to manage Dada's work. And in fact, Dada and Dadi in a way came together thanks to Yash Uncle.
Okay.
So he was very close to the family. Still, Hero Auntie, mom, everybody, me, Karan, I mean, it's family, literally. So worked in Dharma, learnt on Kal Ho Na Ho. Then I assisted Suraj Barjatia as an associate director on Viva, the Shahid film. I was an associate on that. After that, I realized that television भी बहुत कर दिया, फिल्में भी अभी कर लिए. Then I wrote a script. And Karan read the script and he said, why don't you let Dharma produce it? That time Dharma was not producing, Kuch Kuch Hota just released. They'd only done Kaal, I think so. Kal Ho Na Ho was done. So there was Dostana happening, there was I Hate Love Stories happening, there was Puneet, Tarun, me. We were the three directors at that point of time, and then Kurban came in and others, and then Karan Malhotra came in and all. So yeah, at that point of time, Karan gave me the opportunity to make We Are Family. We Are Family was not the film again that I wrote.
Okay.
The film that that I wrote was about, I can tell you the subject, it was about two people, a guy from South Bombay and a girl from Dombivli. And they meet, they fall in love. The guy doesn't have parents, the girl has. And as they fall in love, जितनी जल्दी आज की generation बोलती है कि यार, I love you, let's get married. So the guy goes and tells the girl, yaar, let's get married. The girl's parents say, yaar, don't know each other, get to know each other, get married. नहीं शादी करनी है. जितनी जल्दी शादी करनी है उतनी शादी के बाद मालूम पड़ा I like white light, you like yellow light, I like this AC, you like that AC. It's not working out. उतनी ही जल्दी चल डिवोर्स कर लेते हैं.
Okay.
और इंटरवल पॉइंट पे माँ बाप आके बोलते हैं हमें तुमसे कुछ बोलना है, जैसे हमें आपसे कुछ बोलना है. माँ बाप बोलते हैं हम डिवोर्स हो रहे हैं.
ओह.
तो this was the original idea, which never got made, and then I think parts of it came into Jug Jug Jio in a different way.
Yeah.
So this is what I was making initially. Then was second half नहीं crack हो रहा था. Then We Are Family, Karan told me make an adaptation of Stepmom, which is when we made Stepmom. And Kajol, Kareena, Arjun, a dream set up for any director. And then the film doesn't do well. It comes on the same day as Dabangg. And but I still believe same day as Dabangg or doesn't do same day as Dabangg, that won't make a difference. There were parts of the film which we edited out which we shouldn't have.
Acha.
Which for pace and for reasons that we took calls on, which the inherent कुछ फिल्में ठहराव वाली होते हैं, कुछ फिल्में होती हैं जहाँ पे आपको स्पीड देना पड़ता है. तो कुछ एलिमेंट्स अगर आप निकाल दो उसका सोल निकल जाता है. तो उस फिल्म में दैट फिल्म बेसिकली डिड Karan recovered his money. It was I think UK number 2 worldwide.
Okay.
Did very very well. Kareena got the best supporting filmfare award for it. उसके गाने आज भी बजते हैं. But the film was above average. Above average film पे when you have a mentor like Karan Johar who you love, you respect, then you feel you've let him down. Then you feel you let yourself down. Then you feel that boss, I'm not good enough. All those insecurities start coming.
Yeah.
So went through a dark phase because nobody likes a flop. Nobody first wants to accept it's a flop. You defend yourself, then you accept कि नहीं यार कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुई है, ऑडियंस को कुछ तो नहीं सही लगा इसलिए तो नहीं चली, वरना चलती. अबव एवरेज है बट हिट तो नहीं है. Then you start working on So at that point of time I was trying to work on every subject because Karan told me move on to next film पे काम करना शुरू कर. पर वो फिल्म बना जो तुझे बनानी, जो तेरी आवाज़ है, वो नहीं जो मैं तुझे दूँ. When you're as a filmmaker or when you're struggling, forget as a filmmaker in any profession, जब आपको कुछ एक और मौका चाहिए ना तो आप कुछ भी करने को तैयार हो जाते हो. एक पॉइंट आता है कि ये भी देख लो, ये आपको बस ग्रीन लाइट चाहिए कि नौकरी मिल जाए वापस, कुछ भी हो जाए, ये ग्रीन लाइट हो जाए ना, ये हाँ बोल दे, मैं इस पे काम करना शुरू कर दूंगा. आप ये नहीं देख रहे हो ये मेरी आवाज़ है कि नहीं है, आप ये देख रहे हो कि बस हो जाए. इट बिकम सेकंड प्लेस. सो दैट्स व्हेन करण टोल्ड मी, रुक जा यार, तू बहुत कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहा है और उसमें तेरी आवाज़ खो रही है. उसमें फिर मेरे जो मामा, यंगर मामा थे राज मेहता, he who had got Saboot and all these shows at that point of time, he of course has been a huge cheerleader for me. So his son Rishi saw this film called Front of the Class, and Front of the Class was a book and a film. तो उसमें
it's an autobiography, na?
It's a book called Front of the Class: How Tourette Syndrome Made Me the Teacher I Never.
Yes, autobiography.
So Brad Cohen की autobiography है और हॉलमार्क की किताब है. तो मैं राजू मामा टोल्ड मी कि सिद्धू, आई थिंक यू शुड मेक दिस नेक्स्ट. तो मैंने किताब पढ़ी, टूरेट सिंड्रोम के टीचर, ब्यूटीफुल, आई सॉ द हॉलमार्क फिल्म, ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म, बट इट्स अबाउट सेकंड ग्रेडर्स, वेरी स्वीट फिल्म, बट डज नॉट हैव एनी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इन द स्टोरी. द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज कि भाई ये टीचर है, इसको मौका नहीं मिलता पढ़ाने के लिए, फिर इसको एक मौका मिल जाता है और कैसे पढ़ाता है. तो हिंदी फिल्म के लिए इतनी सिंपल तो फिल्म नहीं हो सकती कि भाई उसको चल मौका मिल गया, अब सेकंड ग्रेडर्स को, किंडरगार्टन स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ा रहा है और कैसे ही बिकम्स दैट आइडियल टीचर. तो उसमें फिर हिंदी फिल्म ड्रामा आपको मिलता नहीं. तो फिर हम लग गए, बालक पालक रिलीज हुई थी, वी गॉट दिस राइटर्स गणेश एंड अंबर एंड वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन इट. और उसमें से वो क्लास 9 से 9F आया कि RTA, राइट टू एजुकेशन, आपका when you take the
Getting all those
land, when you
angles
take
in,
the
yeah.
land, put the social issues in, कि आप किसी लैंड पे स्कूल बनाते हो तो आपके उनके बच्चे भी लेने पड़ते हैं. तो वो सब डाल के एक बार जब स्क्रिप्ट हमारी तैयार हुई, अब किसी को समझ ना आए कि ये एक आर्ट फिल्म नहीं है. अब सबको लगे कि नहीं यार, टीचर चक चक वक वक कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है, कि भाई यार ये तो आर्ट फिल्म तुम बना रहे हो. तो बोला नहीं है, आर्ट फिल्म नहीं, बड़ी कमर्शियल फिल्म है. इम्तिहान भी टीचर की फिल्म आई है, ऐसे बहुत फिल्में आई है टीचर वाली विच हैव बीन हिट्स. नहीं, अब करण उस वक्त, क्योंकि मैं इतने स्क्रिप्ट दे चुका था, उसको ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़नी ही नहीं थी.
Fair enough, yeah.
कि उसे बोला यार तू इतने बना चुका है भाई, ऐसे मुझे बनानी है, ऐसे जैसे आपने बोला मुझे बनानी अब यही है, इसे तो बना. Now when you go out of dharma, a comfort space,
Yes.
when you are with dharma, everybody wants you.
Yeah.
Everybody wants you not for you, they want you for Karan.
Of course, because the brand, yeah.
They want you because Karan जोहर आपके का हाथ आपके सर पे है. अगर आप वहाँ पे हो, आपको ये, मैं तो किसी भी डायरेक्टर को बोलता हूँ भूलना नहीं चाहिए, वो करण जोहर है, वो तुम नहीं. Then eventually when you get out, तब आपको आटे दाल का भाव पता चलता है. चाहे आप प्रिविलेज फैमिली से हो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You could be from the most privileged family in the world. People will only pick up your call, but they're not working with you. Nobody is working with you. In this industry, people work with जिसकी चली है, जो हिट है. आप privileged हो, non privileged, अगर आप flop हो, भाई you're an untouchable. We like you, we'll speak to you. You're a nice human being. We don't know if we'll work with you. So then begins the journey of now me pitching Hitchki to various people. We had about 7-8 writers who came, Anuv Pal, all these are credited. Pitch किया, I think 7 साल लगे pitch करने में. To make
7 साल pitch करने में?
To make.
हाँ.
6
So when did you read the book?
I read the book in 2011, 10.
Yeah, so literally 7 साल, because 2018 is when Hitchki released. I mean, of course,
Yeah.
began making it before, but still.
I made it in 17.
हाँ.
I made it in 17. Hitchki was made in 28 days. 28 दिन में पूरी पिक्चर.
Yeah, but from 2011 to 2017 was that whole pitching phase and getting everybody
Boss,
together and whatnot.
I don't want to take the names, but
Yeah.
it was a male film first. हीरो तो मेल ही था. आप ये सोच लो, टॉप मोस्ट एक्टर से लेके बॉटम मोस्ट एक्टर,
You.
आई हैव गॉन एंड नरेटेड इट टू एवरीबॉडी.
Oh God.
और पूरी फिल्म आप मुझे 2 बजे रात को उठा लो, 3 बजे रात को उठा लो, बोलो नरेट करो, मैं रेट पे तैयार. उतनी भूख कि यार ये, बिकॉज आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं अपना टीवी कर रहा हूँ. 1000 मेरी बहना डन वेरी वेल, लॉन्च क्रिस्टल, निया, करण, एक हसीना थी विद वत्सल, संजीदा. सो आई वाज डूइंग वेरी वेल इन टीवी. आई वाज डूइंग, यू नो, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा वाज अ नेम, सॉलिड नेम. मैं कुछ लेके आता था, सास बहू नहीं बनाता था, पर सबको मालूम था कि सास बहू के अलावा अगर अच्छा डिफरेंट कंटेंट चाहिए तो इसके पास जा, ये दे देगा तेरे. और यंग अडल्ट कंटेंट चाहिए, दिल मिल गए, दिल दोस्ती डांस, ये दे देगा आपको. तो आई वॉज डूइंग माई स्टफ ओवर देयर. मैं बोला अगर फिल्म बनानी है एक ही बार बनाऊंगा. अब अगर ये फ्लॉप हुई तो मैं फिल्म कभी लाइफ में बनाऊंगा ही नहीं. मैं ना डायरेक्ट करूंगा, मैं प्रोड्यूस कर लूंगा, बट एज अ डायरेक्टर आई विल नेवर डायरेक्ट. ये मैं ठान लिया. तो जब आप इतना प्रेशर अपने सर पे लेते हो और उसके बाद आपको 7 साल हर कोई आपको ये बोलता है कि तुम ये क्या बना रहे हो, ये कैसी स्क्रिप्ट है. और मैं बोल रहा हूँ भाई बड़ी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट 7 साल जब आपको हर कोई रिजेक्ट करता है, नॉट ओनली एक्टर्स, इवन स्टूडियोज. सो आई वेंट टू UTV, देन आई वेंट टू एवरी स्टूडियो, सोनी, वो नहीं, यू नेम द स्टूडियो. मैं गया हूँ, मैं बोला यार ये पिक्चर बना लो प्लीज़. सब ओ सिद्धार्थ वेरी नाइस पर्सन, वेरी नाइस, लवली ह्यूमन बीइंग. अभी ह्यूमन बीइंग का घंटा क्या करूँ मैं, अब पिक्चर बनाऊँ ना, मुझे पिक्चर बनानी है. कुछ नहीं. 2-2 बजे किसी ने मुझे रात को फ़ोन किया है कि तुम पागल हो, तुम ये क्यों बना रहे हो, मैं तुम्हारी शुभ चिंतक हूँ, सुनो. मैं रो ही जा रहा हूँ. मैं अपनी वाइफ को बोल रहा हूँ कि यार हो क्या रहा है. रीच्ड अ पॉइंट वेयर आई वांटेड टू एंड इट ऑल इन माय लाइफ. I'm not going beyond that, but end it all in my life is as dark as as that. Where I realized कि नहीं यार कुछ भी नहीं है. I'm useful to my father, I'm useful to my mother, I'm useful to my children, I should just go. Then my wife only told me, तो why aren't you going to आदित्य चोपड़ा? तो मैं बोला हाँ यार, पूरी दुनिया, मैं करण जौहर से निकल के आया हूँ, पूरी दुनिया के पास जा चुका हूँ. मतलब एक वही बैठा है जो करण का भी गुरु है एंड द बिगेस्ट स्टूडियो ऑफ द कंट्री, वही बोलेगा हाँ बेटा आओ, तुम्हारा ही इंतजार था. शी सेड गो ना. आई सेड ही इज नॉट इवन गोइंग टू एंटरटेन मी. एंड यू नो, लो एंड बिहोल्ड, आई गो एंड मीट वाई फिल्म्स का आशीष पाटिल. एंड वाई फिल्म्स में वो ही केम टू हियर द फिल्म. ही से यार ही क्राइड हियरिंग इट. आई सेड हाँ लोग रोते तो हैं, उसके बाद कुछ होता नहीं है, उसके बाद मैं ही रोता हूँ.
सिद्धार्थ तो गुड गाय.
तो हाँ, तो मैं बोला चलो इसे आप आदि से मिलो. तो मैं बोला मैं रेडी हूँ, जब भी आप बोलो मैं तैयार. उसने फिक्स कर दी मीटिंग. तो मैं सपना बोला मैं मिल रहा हूँ आदि को. वेंट एंड मेट आदि. आदि हर्ड द फिल्म एंड ही हर्ड द फुल नरेशन फ्रॉम मी एंड ही टोल्ड मी यार तेरी वी आर फैमिली मैंने देखी, मेरे डैड ने 2 बार देखी थी. यश अंकल हैड सीन इट एंड कॉल्ड मी इवन. He was the only call which made me, because I'm a huge Yash Chopra fan, like others. He called me and said, "Beta, nirash mat hona. You made a good film." And Uday told me that if there was a second time there was a trial, he went and saw it. And he was someone who was very supportive. So he said, "Dad, seen it? I have not seen Be a Family, but the way you've narrated this film, जो भूख तुझ में है ना, वो मुझे बोल रही तो ये बहुत अच्छी बनाएगा." तो मैं बोला फिर बना लो. इसे मैं यार अभी बेफिक्रे डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ.
ओके.
तो मैं बोला गए काम से. अब गया इसे मनीष को मिलो. मनीष प्रोड्यूस करे, हाँ बोले तो फिर मनीष को मिले. मनीष के साथ पूरी नरेशन की वापस. अब मनीष बोले चलो मिलते रहे तो मिलते रहे. फिर मैंने मनीष को बोला कितना मिलना है यार, जितने बार मिलना है, जितने बार रिवर्क करना है कर देंगे, आप हाँ तो बोल दो. फिर फाइनली मनीष सेड यस. फिर ये बात आई कि यार तारे ज़मीं पे आ चुकी थी, आमिर खान एक टीचर का रोल प्ले कर चुका था. व्हाई डोंट यू टर्न इट इनटू फीमेल. बोला अच्छा ये भी करके देख लेते हैं. फिल्म तो बन रही है. तो मेल दिमाग में था. तो मैं बोला चलो, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. मैंने वो कंट्रोल रिप्लेस वर्ड पे जाके बोला चलो मेल का फीमेल कर देते हैं और नरेन का नैना कर देते हैं और देखते हैं क्या होता है। कुछ बदला नहीं। मैं बोला यार क्योंकि रोमांटिक ट्रैक था नहीं, बच्चे ही थे। मैं बोला कुछ बदल तो नहीं रहा। तो मैंने 2 दिन में मनीष को फ़ोन किया, हो गया। इसे 2 दिन में होगी स्क्रिप्ट। आई सेड मेरे को तो रिप्लेस ही करना था, कुछ करना नहीं था, होगी, आप सुन लो। सुना दी। इसे बढ़िया है, करते हैं। एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स रानी केम इन एंड देन यू नो शी हैड जस्ट डिलीवर्ड अदीदा। देन देयर वाज नो लुकिंग बैक बिकॉज वंस इवन हिचकी का क्योंकि वी आर फैमिली 7 साल पहले थी, दे इवन वांटेड टू सी कि भाई ये डायरेक्टर ठीक है कि नहीं। तो मेरा भी वहाँ पे टेस्ट लिया गया। अप्रैल 4 को एक सीन बेटा तुम शूट करो। ऑफ कोर्स दे डिडंट टेल मी, दे टोल्ड मी वेरी स्वीटली कि वी जस्ट वांट टू सी कि तुम्हारा अविनाश अरुण के साथ, ये बच्चों के साथ, रानी के साथ तुम्हारी इक्वेशन सब क्या है, फिर उसके बाद तुम पूरी पिक्चर शूट कर लेना। तो मैं बोला भाई इतने साल से हूँ, ये मेरा टेस्ट है, ये मेरा एग्जाम है। तो किया, फर्स्ट डे शूट टेस्ट किया। उसका भी आई थिंक देयर इज इन फ्यू इंटरव्यूज आई सेड ऑल द इनसिक्योरिटीज दैट कम बैक इन माय माइंड उस दिन जब टेस्ट शूट था। तो मैंने तो मेरी लकली वो आईफोन में ये जो मैक की वायर थी वो ख़राब हो गई थी, पर मैंने ईमेल लिख दिया था कि मनीष तू शूट कर ले, मुझसे ना हो पाएगा। एडीज को माफ़ी मांग ली थी, आदि से माफ़ी मांग ली थी। वो ईमेल किसी के पास गया नहीं,
Luckily the wire was spoiled.
हाँ। और मेरा एडी आ गया सुबह को कि सिट वे रेडी। वाइफ ने उठाया, वाइफ को बोला नहीं था कि मैंने ये किया है। तो मैंने देखा ईमेल तो गया नहीं है। गए, माय गुरु सूरज बरजात्या, ही इज़ अ फादर फिगर टू मी ऑल माय लाइफ। सो ही न्यू कि इस दिन मेरी टेस्ट शूट है। तो 2 महीने बाद ही कॉल्ड मी, सेड आई विल प्रे फॉर यू। 6 बजे सुबह को फ़ोन किया, मैं प्रे कर रहा हूँ, तू डायरेक्टर, द एनर्जी ऑफ अ सेट कम्स फ्रॉम अ डायरेक्टर, तू अपने काम रख, तू अच्छा करेगा, बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ। फिर वो सीन शूट किया विद रानी एंड ऑल, वेंट ऑफ वेरी वेल। टुडे अविनाश अरुण एंड मी आर brothers for life. I'm fortunate to have directed Rani and then Hichki was shot in 28 to 30 days. 30 days.
Quite something.
Yeah. Days भी नहीं, shifts. 7 to 2, 7 to 2. 7 to 7 भी नहीं होता था. Film बनी और naturally when the film released became a super hit, not even a hit. When you become a super hit director, then automatically the love and the appreciation. See, Adi always believed in me, so his and Manish believe in it. But the world's entire, वो ही लोग जिसने फ़ोन करना बंद कर दिया था, वो ही फिल्मी दोस्त जो मेरे घर पे होते थे धर्मा के वक्त और फिर बाहर हो चुके थे, उन्हीं का फ़ोन वापस, अरे यार मैं जानता था तू कैसा है, अरे तो तू तो ग्रेट आर्ट है। तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार इतने सालों बाद ये तो मत करो, ये असली रंग तो मत दिखाओ, ये तो मालूम है क्या कर रहे हो। बट क्योंकि अब तुम्हारे सर पे करण जौहर नहीं, आदित्य चोपड़ा का हाथ है। तो ऑटोमेटिकली जब व्हेन यू हैव हिज हेड एंड यू हैव डिलीवर्ड अ फिल्म फॉर हिम, and my most prized possession which is in my office is a letter which he gave me after Hichki release, that I'm proud of you, because I've always believed in the guru shishya relationship. I believe that these are mentors for me and these are people we've looked up to become filmmakers. If I don't deliver for them, they're the producers. If I don't deliver for a producer, मैं producer को वहाँ को नहीं दिया, producer को proud नहीं कराया कि भाई मैंने अच्छी फिल्म बनाई, फिर मैंने किया क्या। So then that happened, and then after that Adi and me were working on couple of subjects which we worked on 4 or 5 subjects. उसके बीच में मेरे जो राइटर है जो संजीवनी पे थे, विपुल मेहता, वो कुछ पिच करने जा रहे थे हम, तो उन्हें बोला यार मैंने एक प्ले बनाई है महाराज।
Which year are we talking now?
We are talking
2019, 2020?
Yeah.
2019?
Yeah. मैंने महाराज बनाई है 18-19 यहाँ। तो मैंने महाराज बनाई है, सिद्धू आके देख, गुजराती प्ले है। अच्छा, माई वाइफ इज गुजराती, माई मदर लॉ इज गुजराती, सो ऑब्वियसली आई कैन स्पीक गुजराती एंड आई गो,
you can speak Gujarati also.
Okay. तो if you are married to Gujarati, you have to learn to speak Gujarati, because Gujaratis will only speak Gujarati with each other.
Important lesson to learn.
हाँ, have to. तो and I met my wife when I was 16.
Wow.
Yeah. My first ever girlfriend, and I was married. Yeah. At 21 I was married. 22 I was a father.
22 you were a father?
Father, yeah. Correct.
Well, you need to write an autobiography. ये podcast तो चलता रहेगा.
I
You
should.
need to write an autobiography. Yeah? I'm very serious when I say this to a lot of people. I admit that, but still, this is like, because yours is going to be a very mota autobiography. Yeah? I mean, the kind of stuff you're telling me, 7 years for Hichki. Anyways, continue.
जी तो महाराज विपुल ने वी सॉ द प्ले देन ही टोल्ड मी सौरभ शाह की किताब है तो मैंने बोला यार ये तो बड़ी कंट्रोवर्शियल किताब है इस पे हमारे शो पे भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया ये पब्लिश किताब है ये केस सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट पब्लिश्ड है तो बोला किताब भी सू नहीं हुई है 13 साल हो गए किताब को आते हुए नहीं हुई है पब्लिश है किताब हाँ केस पे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई है तेरे प्ले पे प्रॉब्लम हुई है नहीं हुई है अच्छा प्ले के राइट्स दे किताब के राइट्स दे लीगली राइट्स लिए फिर हमने फिल्म लिखवाई अच्छा माय वाइफ इज वैष्णव and the hero is Vaishnav in it and he's standing against the Vaishnavs.
I really like
Yeah.
Maharaj, by the way.
Thank you.
Seriously, I really love
But Maharaj is still not the Maharaj that we could put out. It's not the film.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
I'm pretty
it's
sure,
not
yeah.
the film. We are completing a year, so I can now tell you
Yeah,
after
yeah.
a year कि almost 20-25 मिनट जो काटे हैं ना वो जो काटे हैं वो बहुत solid material था. It does not again disrespect the community, but it gave you an
Context and perspective.
context के महाराज क्यों है महाराज अपने आप को जयदीप अपने आप को महाराज क्यों समझता है उसकी साइकी में क्या चलता है जो ब्रिटिश राज थी उस वक्त उनका क्या सोच था इस महाराज के ऊपर क्योंकि महाराज की पावर बहुत थी उस वक्त तो जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट थे फिल्म के वो सब निकल गए ना फिल्म में फिल्म चली बहुत बड़ी हुई एंड थैंक्स टू दैट आई हैव गॉट कमाल अमरोही मीना कुमारी वरना ये तो मेरी लाइफ में कभी आती ही नहीं है I would have never dreamt कि ये and it's my biggest and my most passionate film.
No doubt.
But what we made and what we edited and what we shot in Maharaj, वो एक दिन अगर किसी को दिख जाए ना मेरे रूह को सुकून मिल जाएगी. But coming back to the Maharaj journey, we worked on the script because I used to watch Gujarati plays. विपुल के साथ काम करते करते मैंने स्नेहा देसाई की 2 प्ले देखी थी स्नेहा इज अ फैंटास्टिक एक्टर शी हैड डन अ कोर्टरूम ड्रामा एंड वन मोर प्ले तो शी सेड कि सिड सर कम एंड सी द प्ले आई वेंट एंड सॉ द प्ले एंड देन वी वर लाइक ब्रो यू आर अ ग्रेट प्ले राइट बट यू आर ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट एक्टर So I initially got Sneha to come in. Sneha, please come in just for the language, for the dialogues, for all of that. But eventually Sneha became my DA and was all on set. So she helped us train the actors, get the lines, and then she did additional screenplay. So she and Vipul together, along with Saurabh bhai, jiski kahani, came together, and then we got the script ready. Script ready होने के बाद भी हमने कुछ 70-80 नरेशन किए पिक्चर के
70-80
नरेशन क्योंकि एक्चुअली ओरिजिनल स्क्रिप्ट में
बहुत पेशेंस है यार आप में
मेरे कमाल अमरो मीना कुमारी के ऑलमोस्ट 40 नरेशन हो चुके एंड नरेशन नॉट विद एक्टर्स नरेशन जस्ट विद आपको सुनाऊंगा इनको सुनाऊंगा बताओ भाई क्या लग रहा है पिक्चर लंबी लग रही है छोटी लग रही है ऑडियंस से एक मॉक नरेशन ले लो ताकि समझ में आए स्क्रिप्ट क्या है स्क्रिप्ट आपकी ठीक नहीं है आप क्या ही बना लोगे क्या कर लोगे तो महाराज की भी की क्योंकि महाराज में पहले एक अलग कोर्ट केस था जो भाटिया वाला वो तो एक्चुअली एक कोर्ट केस होता है कि पहले करसन जाता है इन लोग को पता भी नहीं करसन है कहाँ पे ये लोग कुछ बोलते हैं कि वो वहाँ चले गया दे डिड नो करसन बॉस तो ऐसे बहुत एलिमेंट से फिर हमको काटना पड़ा टू मेक इट टू व्हाट इट इज एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स द कोर्ट केस हैपेंड ऑन महाराज
And it's just so difficult nowadays. I mean, whatever movie
you cannot tell a journalist story.
No, not that. Not that. That is something different. But it's just that so many series and so many movies which come out. First of all, the hard work and I mean hard work is also a very sort of light term to use, I would say. And then after that, everything is done. Everything is made. The movie is going to release. Then these court cases come, and this is something which I've noticed. I mean, everybody knows this. It's all over. I think each and every director, producer, actor, actress has faced some sort of thing at least once in their life.
No, पर मेरा तो यार मेरा एक पोस्टर पे हो गया किसी ने ना ट्रेलर देखा था ना गाना देखा था एक पोस्टर पे जयदीप के ऊपर टिक्का है वो बोला भाई ये गलत पिक्चर है क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट हम मानते ही नहीं आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट नहीं मानते मैं क्या करूँ व्हाट डू आई डू अब मानते ही नहीं हो तो मैं क्या करूँ नहीं वो ब्रिटिश टाइम का था अरे ये क्या बात हुई So then it went into the full, and if the Gujarat judiciary had not helped us and watched the film and realized कि भाई इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं जो community को offend करता है. It's about one wrong apple. It's not about the entire community. And it's a true life story. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं हुआ था यार, ये तो बॉम्बे में हुआ है, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं हुआ है.
People are just very trigger happy on social media and it sort of spills on to real
हाँ,
life.
but what happens is अगर हुआ है then let me tell the story the way it is ना. उसको भी काट मरोड़ के अगर करोगे तो फिर उसकी जो ये होती है ना इम्पैक्ट, वो फिर ये हो जाती है या ये हो जाती है.
Similar what you said
it was
happened
made for this, अब ये हो गया.
In VR family also you said the same thing.
नहीं यार, VR family में
I mean in a different context.
VR family में तो जान के हमने वो
that is a
चीजें,
decision which you made on
it was a decision which me Karan made कि यार ये चीजें नहीं आनी चाहिए फिल्म में एडिट पे, पर वो जान के हमने निकाली, ये मजबूरी में निकाली. तो मजबूरी में जो निकालती है वो अलग बात है, क्योंकि वो फिल्म का हिस्सा था और नहीं, वो सेंसर होके फिल्म निकाला गया, तो फिर वो अलग बात होगी. बट God's grace that Maharaj did well, because we again went through a very tough patch during the release of Maharaj, because
because of all these issues.
No, because after 5 Hitchki को आप every filmmaker wants to make a film a year, or at least 1 in 2 years.
This is after 5 years, ना? It was coming. हाँ.
अब मैं VR फैमिली बनाता हूँ 10 में, अब हिचकी बनाता हूँ 18 में, अब महाराज 23 में. वो लोग किसको इतना लंबा वेट, आपके हिट फिल्म में, अच्छा फ्लॉप फिल्म के बाद आप 7 साल आपकी बैंड बजे, इस इंडस्ट्री, ये इंडस्ट्री तो आपकी बैंड बजा देगा. आप इस इंडस्ट्री के हो या ना हो, आपकी बैंड बजने वाली है, चाहे यूर एन एक्टर और यूर अ राइटर और यूर अ डायरेक्टर. बट विद आफ्टर अ सुपर हिट फिल्म, जब आपकी फिल्म नहीं रिलीज हो रही अगले साल, देन यू थिंक अब मैंने क्या कर दिया, चलो बीच में कोविड आ गया, 2 साल चले गए, तो वो पूरा थिएट्रिकल था, फिर नेटफ्लिक्स पे आई, फिर वो पूरा जो रिगमरोल, एंड देन आई गेट टू नो कि अब तो रिलीज ही नहीं होगी, अब तो कोर्ट चली गई, अब तो मालूम नहीं आने वाली है कि नहीं आने वाली है. तो जून 14 की, अभी 1 साल होने वाला है, जून 14 इट इज गोना रिलीज, एंड देन वेंट इनटू कोर्ट, एंड देन जून 20th इट केम आउट, एंड जून 20th हाउ इट केम आउट, 3 o'clock 4 o'clock नहीं 6 o'clock in the evening on Friday on the platform. अरे आ गई ट्रेलर, अब तक आया नहीं है.
ट्रेलर हैड नॉट,
फिल्म केम ऑन फ्राइडे, ट्रेलर केम ऑन मंडे, गाने केम नेक्स्ट वीक, इंटरव्यू उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट वीक.
It's like exactly the opposite, how normally things happen. Wow. But I must say, now that I've actually met you in person, it was the perfect debut launch for Junaid.
For Junaid.
The way Junaid has been used in the film.
Yeah.
Hopefully he is used in similar manners
I
by
hope.
other directors.
I hope.
But the way you used him is the way Junaid is supposed to be used.
Yeah, I think so too. I mean, I'm very close to Junu right now. I mean, he's one of mine, and I really believe that if you work with him, you understand him and understand what to do and what not to do. See,
because he's a very, I'll take this opportunity to compliment him also. He's a very genuine guy.
बहुत सच्चा इंसान.
Okay, and it is so obvious when you compare him to a lot of other people. So that is reassuring, very refreshing in a way.
Yeah.
In the current environment.
Yeah, but his next film will show that सच्चाई again. I know that. His next film which he shot, which is ready, वो सच्चाई दिख जाएगी आपको जुनैद में वापस. वो अच्छी बनी. तो I am very expectant from his next film that he'll bounce back in a good way.
when did like you started Alchemy Films with your wife? When did that happen? And why did you decide to do that?
So जिंदगी आपको हमेशा एक पॉइंट पे ले जाती है ना, जब when your back is against the wall, तो कोई ना कोई मुकाम आ जाता है, कोई ना कोई रीज़न आ जाता है. तो एक पॉइंट हो गया था जब my back was against the wall and I had no option. Then I had no option but to branch out on my own. And that's when we started off Alchemy, again 8 years ago, Hitchki ke time.
Okay.
Around the Hitchki ke time, 8 years ago, my wife was a costume designer. I had told her overnight ke bhai, we are starting our own company, and literally we were in tough financial situation, a very tough financial situation. So between me and Sapna, we've literally started from scratch without any savings, and from there we started Ichha Pyari Nagin. So I still remember watching when I told her, I said हम अपना कंपनी शुरू करने वाले हैं. She said क्यों, कैसे, क्या करेंगे? I said ये है ना, जब तक ये है और वो है, हो जाएगा. So with my father's blessings, obviously, I started Alchemy. Given the name was given by my closest college friends. Sohail Bhatia is a childhood college friend, so he said Alchemy Films रख नाम. तो बोला चलो ये अच्छा नाम है. So me and Sapna started that off, and the journey was literally me watching Nagin and saying, and we were going through that tough time. I was saying यार भाई एक जगह होगी नागिस्तान जहाँ पे ये सब यार इच्छाधारी नाग ना देखते होंगे कि यार हमारी नाम पे तुम लोग सीरियल बनाते हो और टीआरपी कमाते हो, साला नाग पंचमी पे हमें दूध पिलाते हो, रेस्ट ऑफ द डे हमसे डरते हो, हम भी एनिमल्स हैं, हमें भी पालो. तो सपना said you've lost it. Like she said you've totally Nagistan, you've lost it. I said नहीं ये शो कॉमेडी शो है, राजू ईरानी टेक ऑन हैप्पी स्नेक. तो मैं गया जी टीवी के पास, नरेशन की, वो हंस रहे हैं, मैं हंस रहा हूँ, नरेशन. ये मुझे लगा कि यार, फिर मालूम पड़ा वो मुझ पे हंस रहे हैं कि ये क्या लेके आया. तो मैं बोला यार वैसे ही बैंड बजी पड़ी, अब तुम भी मुझ पे हंस रहे हो. अच्छा तब तक हिचकी भी आई नहीं थी, तो कोई सुपर हिट डायरेक्टर नहीं था, तो स्ट्रगल ही कर रहा हूँ. टीवी शोज हुए हैं पर कुछ नहीं. बोला चलो ठीक है. फिर मैं गया अनुज कपूर के पास, सब टीवी. ही वॉज हेडिंग सब टीवी. उसको सुनाया, वो हंसे, मैं हंसूँ. फिर मैंने बोला सिद्धार्थ एक पायलट कीजिए. तो मैं बोला सर पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास, अब पायलट तो नहीं बन पाएगा. तो सिद्धार्थ आपको मालूम है आपने कुछ 15 साल पहले मेरी मदद की थी जब मैं एक राइटर था. तो मैंने बोला नहीं सर याद तो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं है, आपने मुझे एक बार बोला था कि मैं आपके साथ काम करूँगा. आपने जब मैं आप ही के ऑफिस बाहर निकल रहा था, सिनेमिस्टा और कुछ हो रहा था. तो मैं बोला सर अब मेरी मदद कर दो. ही बिलीव्ड इन मी, ही बिलीव्ड इन दैट शो. He and Sub TV gave us the money to make that pilot, and all my writers, all my actors, all my technicians said, "Sir, we know what's happened. We will not take a rupee till you get your money." And because of all that, which is my father's goodwill actually, which has come and I have learned from that. That goodwill helped us to start a company literally from scratch. And in that year we did 4 daily shows. लव का इंतज़ार, वो अपना सा, इच्छा प्यारी नागिन, हासिल. We did काफिर for Z. We did bestseller with Shruti Hassan and Mithun.
Yes, that is.
We did that. Then next year I did Tribhanga with Renuka Shane, with Kajal. So then there's been no looking back. Then then of course Maharaj released, and then so it's been literally very tough for Sapna, my wife, because she was a simple Gujarati woman who was a fashion designer. The genes of the business is always there. So got her and literally got her into production. ऐसे तुम्हें production संभालना है, तुम्हें producer बनना है, तुम producing संभालोगे, finance संभालोगे, मैं creative संभालूंगा. तो आज भी हम दोनों की कंपनी, हम दोनों ही करते हैं. मैं काम लेके आता हूँ, वो प्रोडक्शन संभालती है. हमारे वो जो लोग थे एल्केमी के साथ जब हमने शुरू किया था, वही 2 अकाउंटेंट्स हैं, वही 2 EPs हैं, और यही हमारी, और वही 2 प्यून्स हैं, यही हमारा ऑफिस है.
This is a true new definition of power couple. You know, we keep talking about all these very famous celebrity power couples, but this is something, a couple which has stuck through. I mean, what, 16 when you met her?
Yeah, 30 years.
30 years,
30 साल हो
right?
गए हमें.
21 when you married her, 22 when you became a father.
I'm 46 now, yeah, correct.
46 now. So this is actually a story of a solid, successful marriage which turned into a solid, successful business.
Yeah.
Great stuff, great stuff.
Yeah.
So now, bilkul. And now, first of all, these are the kind of interviews which I really like, where I don't really have to ask much. The person just sort of goes on and you're just listening to them because it's a great story. Moving on to the other part of your life, right? What I mentioned at the beginning of the interview, that you also have a lot of Bollywood blood in you. Your grandfather was Premnath,
जी.
right? And you mentioned about the discipline, about the spirituality, about his larger than life presence. Tell me, see, larger than life presence, so that is something which shown very easily through his movie roles.
Yeah.
Okay, But what about the discipline and spirituality? This is something which
So
I
there
am
was
at
a
least not
point in
aware
his
of.
career where I think he went for the shooting of Aan, Mehboob Khan's film, and he didn't know villain का role है. Dilip Kumar, Dada Madhubala, and not Madhubala. What was the actress's name? It was not Madhubala. Madhubala was Badal. Nimmi? Not Nimmi. I forget the name.
No, we'll leave it to the audience to check it out on Google and IMDb.
So it's Dilip Kumar and my grandfather, and her face is right in front of me. I'm just not getting her name. But eventually, it was that film, and then my grandfather and Dilip Kumar were best of friends. But when the film released, he became a big villain. And my grandmother at that point had जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, ताज महल, अनारकली. So the Abhiman angle literally popped up at that point of time, where she would command her price, and he at that point of his time wanted the hero roles, but he was getting the villain roles. And then one point of time, I think he almost for 10 years or 12 years just went into spirituality. He left, he went to Kedarnath, Badrinath. If you go to Beda Ghat, they'll tell you Premnath यहाँ पे एक साल के लिए यहाँ पे. So my Dada Samadhi is at Beda Ghat today in Jabalpur. But if there was a long phase in his life where he went into spirituality completely, and my grandmother was in a way supporting him at that point of time, and she was taking care of the two kids. And then when he came back as a character actor. He came back with Johnny Mera Naam.
Oh wow! Yeah,
He came back with Johnny Mera Naam.
Yeah.
He came back with
Yeah.
that was, and that time he was the most highly paid character actor. But there was a phase where you would see Shami Kapoor with those malas, and you would see
Yes.
my grandfather with those malas.
Yes.
And this was all because they were all one pack. Raj Kapoor, my grandfather, Shami uncle, they all were one pack. So so he went through. I think he even went through an internal phase, I guess, so of an evolution. Like all of us have gone through an internal phase of evolution. I've gone through one. So he went through that entire thing to come back. So obviously, as a kid, I've seen him when he came back, and he was. Then he had a problem of the foot. He couldn't walk too much. So that's why in Karz, Sir Judah, Subhash Ghai gave him that tongue, that you don't have to walk too much in that. He had a huge problem of walking at that point of time. But I think when I was 13 when he died, so I really couldn't spend too much of memorable time. His memories are still fresh in my mind. But the questions I would want to ask a legend like him, because he was very learned. He knew 108 rags. He would play music. He could speak politics. He could speak. I mean, my grandfather was a very, very, very well-read and learned man. So if he was alive, the amount of conversations I would have had today about everything would have been invaluable. But I've learned so much through people about him. About his greatness, about his wildness, about his craziness, and about his spirituality. So there's an arc to the man which I have learned and realized that, my God, this man had different shades. And I've only learnt it after he's gone.
Through stories which other people have told you.
Who have met him, interacted with him, and told me that ये आपके दादा के साथ हमारा ये interaction हुई है.
About his craziness, if you could say like one thing, I don't know.
He swam the Mansarovar, yeah. He swam the Mansarovar and was literally caught on the other side. Because that time he had the Dadi Wadi and all, and he had all the Sadhu Baba thing. So they didn't know he was actor Premnath then, and he was invited as a guest at one point of time by the government.
Wow.
So he wrote a letter they were allowed to make one call. So he wrote a letter to the minister. This is how your guests are treated, and they had to then in 2 weeks, I think telegram and tell him that this is actor Premnath, please make him a state guest. I mean, this is one of the various incidences of his life where a man who's actually swam the Mansarovar and gone to the other side, requires some amount of balls.
Yeah.
So these are things which my father has told me, and we've all heard it from Papa, and you know that he was arrested there. Then he became the state guest over there, and we're like, wow, this is unbelievable.
quite
This
an
is
ask.
quite unbelievable to. But he says, beta, I mean, you know, he's the father. He's my father, and he won't tell me something which is untrue. And he's told my son the same thing. So like these are really, I mean, which one of us are going to actually swim the Mansarovar?
I don't even know how to swim, so not me. Not me.
So yeah, I mean, there are many things about him, but I guess all of those elements come into all of us at some point in life.
Last two questions, because we've had a long chat. You also mentioned that, I mean, this is when I was reading about you. Every Sunday the house used to be, it used to be like a family reunion with Raj Kapoor and Shami Kapoor and all that. This is of course stuff which you must have heard.
No.
At that point of time. When
Every
Prem
Sunday,
was there.
Dadi would come home, or we would go to my Dada's house at Anita building, which is still there, where my chacha stays now. So it was a Sunday routine that anybody who wants to meet Dada and Dadi would go to on Sunday to Anita building. So now it may be all the families who meet and come there, but not with Raj uncle and Shami uncle. I mean, they had come once or twice. उनकी parties भी once a month होती थी, या once in 2 months होती थी. So we would go, the full family would go to an RK party, or we would go to, you know, or they would be at Dada's place, because they were brother-in-laws, they were friends, they were colleagues. So, but we were too small. We were literally too small. I remember going to RK and watching trial shows. You know, seeing Raj Dada, seeing Krishna Dadi, who's been a big pillar for all of our families, and for my father to his bua, of course, very, very close to him. So yeah, I mean, these are memories which will always be etched in our mind, because those were great times. Yeah.
The Meena Kumari biopic.
Ji.
Let's say, I mean, 2018 was Hichki, 2023 was Maharaj, so 2029?
I hope not. I hope 2027, but I hope 26 में एक और film है which I'll announce very soon.
Okay.
I can't talk about it right now.
Okay.
It's a film which is very unexpected to come out from me as a filmmaker.
Okay.
And I'm very excited about that film. But another month more before I can announce it officially कि यार ये बन रही है. So 26 hopefully that film, and 27 hopefully Kamal and Meena. Because Kamal and Meena we've taken 1.5 years just to get the script right. अब script हो गई, अब तो casting शुरू हुई, अब तो actors के पास जा रहे हैं. But we've not done a single actor narration till now.
Yeah, like you mentioned.
Yeah, अब तक नहीं हुआ. इस महीने से actor narration शुरू होंगे.
And last question, I mean, like, because you also started Alchemy Films with your wife, although you've actually sort of answered this question already, but to put it in a gist, 3 lessons which you've learned as a producer / entrepreneur in your journey with Alchemy Films,
3 lessons.
or even in life.
In life, more than a producer entrepreneur, because producer entrepreneur or in life basically never take any day of your life or as a professional for granted. You're being given this opportunity, and there are thousands and millions of people who are better than you, who are waiting for that opportunity. तो आपको ये मौका मिला है to make a difference and tell a story. आप उस मौके पे अपना 100% भी नहीं 200% दीजिए, क्योंकि आपको रिप्लेस करने वाले बैठे हैं आप ही के पीछे लाइनों में. उनको मौका नहीं मिल रहा है. उनको मिल जाए, आपको वो मौका उसके बाद दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा. ये जो बोलते हैं मिलेगा, वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. इस स्थिति में आपको वो दोबारा भी नहीं मिलेगा. यू विल हैव टू फाइंड अ न्यू बिजनेस. सो डोंट टेक, बहुत ईमानदारी से काम करो, झोल झाल मत करो, ईमानदार, और पे पीपल ऑन टाइम, on time. Treat people with respect, because you are working in a line where people want to be respected. आप पहले आपको रिस्पेक्ट, आप रिस्पेक्ट के लिए काम करते हो, पैसों के लिए काम करते हो, and you want to make a difference. So these are basic courtesy things के यार जिसके लिए आप काम कर रहे हो, whoever is giving you a job, may it be Netflix, may it be Amazon, may it be Aditya Chopra, may it be Karan Johar, may it be any producer. Ensure कि जिसने आपको वो काम दिया है, you over deliver. You don't under deliver. If you over deliver, they will always be yours. But if you borderline deliver or under deliver, there's someone else waiting. This is what I have learned over so many years. Okay, don't promise to over deliver. Promise to deliver what is there. But if you can over deliver, you're only making them happy. And you're वर्किंग ऑन योर ओन प्रोडक्ट जिस पे आपका नाम है यार, ये लेगेसी है, आप छोड़ने वाले हो, आप मर जाओगे, इस पे आपका नाम होगा, ये तो डिजिटल पे जाएगा फॉर एवर. आप मरने के बाद भी कोई देख सकता है. महाराज हिचकी, ये VR फैमिली सालों तक लोग देख पाएंगे. मैं मर गया फिर भी देख पाएंगे. तो ये तो मेरा नाम है, मेरे नाम के साथ मैं क्यों खिलवाड़ करूँ? और किसी और के पैसों के साथ जिसने मुझ पर भरोसा किया है उस पर क्यों खिलवाड़ करूँ? मुझे और पैसे मिलेंगे और काम मिलेगा अगर मैंने उस विश्वास को खरा रखा और उस पर और भी खरा उतर के आया मैं. सो दिस इज अ लेसन आई हैव लर्नड जनरली इन लाइफ बिटवीन मी एंड माई वाइफ, दैट वी हैव टू, व्हेन वी वर्क विद समवन, गिव देम दैट रिस्पेक्ट एंड लव दैट दे वांट टू कम बैक एंड वर्क विथ यू. यू कैन नॉट फोर्स पीपल टू वर्क. क्रिएटिव लाइन है, बट यू शुड वर्क इन सच अ वे कि दे से यार इसके साथ तो मुझे करना ही करना है, इसका जब फोन आएगा मैं ना नहीं बोल सकता. एंड दैट कैन ओनली हैपन इन थ्रू एक्शंस, इट कैन नॉट हैपन थ्रू वर्ड्स. सो दीज आर द लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस व्हिच आई हैव लर्नड professionally and personally.
No, so Siddharth, when he is not directing, he will be available for motivational talks. You just heard him, right? You can comment on the YouTube section below or on the Instagram wherever you're seeing this video, and he'll coordinate directly with you. We've had a very detailed discussion. So, but I'm sure there'll be a lot of things which you'd want to know through this wherever you watch it. So post on the comment section below, and we'll probably get in touch with Siddharth to get the answers. But thank you so much.
Thank you.
For taking out the time, for talking to us, for Mausam for coordinating all this, who's sitting behind the camera right now.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, and all the best for the future, for the Meena Kumari biopic and so many other things to come.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.